Hey guys, it's Devin. I wanted to give you some creative inspiration for how to spend your time at home right now. I just completed a DIY project and I painted my kitchen cabinets. It was a big undertaking, but totally worth it. The beauty of creative projects, you just get lost in them, and it's a great way to focus your mind on something positive and really be in the moment. So I'm going to show you what the cabinets look like and how it transformed my kitchen. This is the original 1959 wood cabinetry, plus the original pink countertops, which I love. And check out what some new paint did to this kitchen. Ta-da! I love it. It needed some fun light and brightness. So the color of the bottom is called Polished Aqua, and the top is Alabaster. Joanna Gaines apparently has her kitchen painted all in that color. I started painting everything a light French gray, and to be honest, it was not for me. So I quickly shifted gears and found some leftover Polished Aqua that I'd used downstairs on a door. And I decided, hey, I'm just gonna make that my whole bottom cabinets. So I did have to take off all the cabinet doors to paint them and sand them. Sorry guys, the light is a little goofy because all the snow. And then I added new hinges. But guess what? The inside, oh, there's my junk drawer. I really don't want to see that. But the inside of all the drawers, I kept this light French gray. So I did put it to use. And I love this original pink countertop. It's got little gold specks in it. And the gold hardware was so much fun to put on. I read on a blog, it's like jewelry for your kitchen. Here's what the original hardware looks like. So it's brass, and actually I still need to paint the hinges here. That's the original brass hinge. I did paint them up here because they looked really weird with the gold and then brass and then this alabaster white. So that's the kitchen, guys. Here's some of my materials. Again, bare polished aqua if you're looking for an awesome fun color. And this alabaster clean white worked really well. I hope that inspires you to try something creative with your time. Maybe that's taking leftover paint from a past project and freshening up a chest of drawers or painting a vanity. Whatever it is, creative projects are a great outlet to focus your mind and be in the moment. I'd love to hear from you guys if there's anything creative you're working on right now, or if you're inspired to try something. Drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear. I look forward to seeing you guys soon, and stay tuned. There are way more projects coming. I'm on a roll. Talk to you soon. Bye.